Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain how to develop a mobile app using MIT App Inventor. First, let me explain what is mobile app. A mobile app is a software application developed specifically to use on small wireless computing device such as smartphones and tablets. Mobile apps are designed based on demands and constraints of the devices. Mobile apps were originally introduced for productivity and assistance. Later, mobile apps are developed in various areas such as education, health, travels, banking, etc. due to the need of public. There are various types of softwares available for mobile app development. Some of the softwares used for developing mobile apps are MIT App Inventor, Remote XY, Android Studio, Blink, BuildFire, PhoneGap, Framework 7, Flutter, NativeScript, Ionic Framework. Now let us see what is required for mobile app development. There are four major requirements. First one is mobile phone, second one software, third one personal computer or laptop, the last one is internet connection. Application of mobile app. It is used for various applications such as online shopping, fitness, food order, healthcare, tours and travels, taxi, entertainment, cooking, communication, banking, and education. In online shopping, Amazon, Snapdeal mobile app is used. For food order, Zomato, Uber Eats mobile app is used. For taxi, Ola, Uber is used. For banking, Google Pay, Paytm is used. For entertainment, book tickets for movie, healthcare for booking doctor appointment. For this, all this application, this mobile app is used. Among the various types of software, I have chosen MIT App Inventor software for developing an app. MIT App Inventor is a free open source software. Free open software means it can be downloaded from the website. It is a cloud-based tool. Cloud-based tool is an application-based software that stores data on a remote server which can be accessed through the internet. Example, Google Gmail. Next one is block-based programming language. Block-based programming language is used in MIT App Inventor. Block-based coding is a form of programming language where the developer gives instructions by dragging and dropping blocks. Here there is no coding is required. App Inventor is accessed using a web browser. It is used only for Android. I am going to give a demo for text to speech conversion. The first step is to log in the MIT App Inventor. Open Google, type MIT App Inventor to select MIT App Inventor. The next step is to create an app. For that, it will ask an Gmail account. Use Gmail account to log in the MIT App Inventor. Click the Create App. It will ask your Gmail ID. Give your Gmail ID. Go to My Projects. Start a new project. Give it the project name. Click OK. In the right top, there are two blocks are available. One is designer, another one is block. The designer, it is used to design the front end. Block, it is used for programming. In our project, we need three blocks, two input block and one output block. So the inputs and output buttons are available here. I'm going to drag a inputs, that is button. Another input block is test. Another third one is called as text to speech. This is the output. So we need two input. One is button. Another input is text box. Output is text to speech. In viewer, there are three types: phone, tablet, and monitor size. If you select the monitor size, the viewer will be in the monitor size. Tablet means tablet size. Now I have selected phone size. Components. There are four main components are available. One is text button, another one is text box, another one is screen, another one is text to speech. Properties. The properties is used to change the font size, color, alignment, background color, background image, text color, size of the input and output blocks, shapes, etc. Now I am going to design the front end. Click the test button. First I am bringing all this to the center of this mobile phone. Center. Click the text box. I am changing the text. Now I am going to increase the font size. Now I am going to increase the text color. Now I am going to increase the background color. Now I am going to change the background color of the phone. Now I am going to change the text box font size. I am going to change the size of the text box. Text color I am going to change. I am going to shape of this button. You can use round, rectangular, or oval. Now the front end design is completed. Next, I'm going to do the programming. Click blocks. Click the button and drag it here. Next one is text box. Click text to speech. So this is called as block-based programming. When you click the button, you are giving some text, water, that will come here. That will convert into speech. After completing the programming, you have to compile the program. For that, build app, QR code, go to Play Store, select QR code scanner MIT app inventor, select MI2 companion, install, open the MIT AI2 companion, allow, click the allow button, continue without Wi-Fi, scan QR code and scan the QR code in the computer. Download the speech, open, click the open button, install the application, open the app, so this is first one is called as button, second one is text box. I'm giving the text containers water, click the convert button,
water.
This is the text to speech conversion mobile app. In the next video, I will explain how to develop mobile app to control LED and motor. We are conducting competition to develop mobile app. Those who are interested can design the mobile app using MIT App Inventor and send the video to the coordinator mail. We will select the best app from that and winners will be informed later. If you have any doubt in mobile app development, please contact my number 98423 36137. 98423 36137. My email ID anishkumar@savida.ac.in. anishkumar@savida.ac.in. Thank you.